Okay, let's just dive right in. We're seeing this massive, massive shift in how people get information.
Huge.
I mean, the whole idea of 10 blue links it's starting to feel ancient. Now it's all about AI first search.
Exactly. Whether it's Google's AI overviews or you're asking ChatGPT, Gemini,
Yeah,
the old metrics we've used for a decade are, well, they're just broken.
they're broken. So that's our mission for this deep dive. We're going to unpack the source material you sent over and figure out what the new KPIs are.
And what tools, what free tools you can use to actually track this stuff heading into 2025.
So let's start with what the sources are calling the click apocalypse. It sounds dramatic, but the data is.
Wow.
It is. The core problem is that if you're still just looking at click data, you are flying blind completely.
Okay, so give us the killer stat.
It's from Pew Research, July 2025. When an AI summary shows up in search results,
Yeah.
traditional results get clicked only 8% of the time. 8.
Wow, just 8%. And what about clicks on links inside the AI summary itself? Are people using those? Barely. The data shows that's only 1%. Just one.
1%. So even if you're featured, you're not getting the traffic.
Right. And connect that to the fact that something like, 58 to 60% of all searches now end without any click at all.
We're in a zero-click world.
We really are. That's the reality.
Okay, so if clicks are a thing of the past, we have to redefine success. What are we tracking now? What are the new layers?
There are three, really. First one is simple. AI citations.
Oh, should our citations?
Just
Yeah.
just do it.
Anyone?
Are you being mentioned?
Yeah,
Is your content being used as a source in Perplexity, in AI overviews, Copilot?
exactly. That's your new visibility score. Then number 2 is zero-click impressions. You track this in Google Search Console.
And that's a big one because the source material mentions GSE is starting to actually surface AI mode impressions separately, right?
Yes, and that signal is huge. It finally lets us see true AI exposure versus just, old school Searcher P impressions.
So a spike in impressions without a spike in clicks is actually a good sign now. It's a great sign. It means the AI is reading your content. And the third layer is assisted outcomes.
This is where it gets real, moving beyond vanity metrics.
Absolutely. We're talking about leads, signups, where a user actually says, I found you in an AI overview.
So you need to be building an AI presence scoreboard for your leadership team.
For sure. Citations, zero-click impressions, and those assisted outcomes. That's the new story.
All right, let's get practical. Let's talk tools. How do we actually track all this?
Okay, first up, Perplexity. It's great for manual checks because it gives you those nice numbered citations.
So you just run your target queries and see who shows up?
Yep. Do it weekly, log the URLs. And little pro tip here, content with concise Q&A blocks and tables gets cited way more often.
Good to know. And obviously, Google Search Console is still the main tool for the impression data.
Still the core, yeah.
Yeah.
But beyond that, you still need to do some manual checks.
You mean just going into ChatGPT, Gemini, and the others?
You have to. Keep a weekly prompt list, check them all. The consensus right now is that Google's AI mode seems to be the most accurate for tracking your source quality.
Okay, and last piece of this. To actually get picked up by these models, what content structure works best?
LLMs love anything that's machine readable.
Mm-hmm.
So, like we said, Q&A blocks, table summaries, they eat that stuff up.
And on the technical side, schema.
Oh, absolutely. Focus on a few specific types. FAQ page and Q-page schema are obvious wins.
And I saw speakable schema mentioned.
Yes, that's designed specifically to feed answers to voice assistants and answer engines. And if you have data, use dataset schema. You have to structure your content for reuse. That's the game.
So if we zoom out, the whole strategy has shifted. It's not about winning the click anymore.
Not at all. It's about winning the citation. It's about becoming the source that the AI trusts and reuses.
Which leaves a pretty big thought for you to chew on. If this AI first world is only going to get bigger.
Right. Then the ultimate goal isn't clicks on every page. The real work is structuring your content so well that you become an essential cited source, turning that zero-click exposure into a real, measurable outcome. That's how you win in 2025.